Hello and happy National Nutrition Month. My name is Jessica Fellinger and I am a dietetic intern through Illinois State University. Dietitians are the nutrition experts in the community. They are caring professionals who can guide people through new diagnoses and the nutrition aspect of such diagnoses, as well as making healthy lifestyle habits. They can help with meal planning, so making healthy decisions, sometimes as simple as swapping out whole grain bread for white bread, or doing more exercise in a week or a month, visiting the gym more. And dietitians also can help with guidance for new diagnoses. For example, for someone with newly diagnosed diabetes mellitus, they can help with a consistent carbohydrate diet and planning for just making healthy decisions to help alleviate symptoms and minimize the disease state as much as possible. So dietitians can help with everyday living and with newly diagnosed disease states, as well as prolonged chronic disease states. And they can help provide nutrition support throughout the lifespan.